Hello students, I am Aditya and today I am telling you about how to register for the Goethe examination, okay, especially for Delhi center. So simply just type Goethe Delhi on Google and here you can click on this second here German examination, and after that just Goethe certificate A1 adult, okay, start Deutsch. This is adult, okay. Don't do this fit in Deutsch. This is for school children, so you are not in school, so adult start Deutsch 1. Click here and then scroll down. You can see here 6th March New Delhi. Only this slot is available currently, all booked, fully booked. Fees is 7600 Indian rupees, okay. Registration start from 3rd of February till 15th February. It's already late, but still there is a seat, so click book, and then you can see here general exam, writing and speaking. Both the examination will be on the same day, 6th March. Exam will be on 6th March 2023. So here total price you can see, then continue. Here book for myself, okay, and here you will write your email and password. Like I have entered my email, password. Then if you are new, then register yourself first. I have already registered, so my email and password is here. After doing registration, login. Okay, so here now you can see the personal details here, everything, participation number, everything is available here, okay. So then you can continue here. Once you continue, okay, personal details are here, continue, and after continuation, okay, you will see motivation taking exam, where you get motivation, okay. You can type here any motivation, you can fill up here. What is your motivation? You can write personally motivated or from the teacher, from institute. Promotional code if you have any, otherwise continue here, okay. Here now this is the thing, payment gateway, credit card, okay, Visa, MasterCard, okay. You can opt from this side, continue either from above or below. Again check your all detail, okay, and then you can see here payment in euro 85 but in Indian rupees 7600. That's it. So after doing this, your payment is done and you will get receipt on the email. So ensure that you have correct email address, okay. So that's the information I wish to give. Thank you so much. Still any query, write in the comment section, I will reply.